these are a couple of thoughts of my thinking of what Newcastle University Business School could do to offer new products and new academic training courses. The first one being the Tech Projects Leadership Academy. Oxford University Business School has a program called Major Projects Leadership Academy, which is for anyone, but particularly civil servants in the UK who get moved around from one day it's Sellafield, the next day it's the Channel Tunnel, the next day it's sorting out passports, to try and help them with the training around how to run major projects on time and on budget. And I know that the Newcastle University Business School has got a big professional services and now project management training there. And Newcastle and the North East has HMRC, DWP, BSA, some big public sector institutions who are doing tech projects. I think it'd be really interesting if we could run some exec education around those people who land themselves on the governance of massive tech projects and how we can help them to buy better, run more efficiently those programs. And then as the fourth generation in a business, looking at the fifth generation also in attendance. 3 of my boys are not here, but one has kindly come to attend. Family businesses, as we will all know, are the lifeblood of every economy. Half of all businesses, family businesses around the world. There is always an opportunity to do family business training because it is a huge opportunity for helping and supporting that generational transition and succession, to get it right, to keep those institutions firing for the local and the national economy. I think I've got a couple of slides. This was just picking up on my theme. If there are opportunities in med and biotech, the Northeast should not be doing these big themes. We should be closing them down and niching down. You know, in fintech, fintech's been a wave that's been everywhere. The Northeast does not have many banks, but it has one of the largest concentrations and clusters of payments processing, the Department of Work and Pensions, the prescriptions, some of the, so why do we, Sage, we should be concentrating on this payment processing niche where there is, again, a huge opportunity and it's niched down. And we always spent time with Nissan and people going, is there a tech opportunity in Nissan? No, they don't design the cars here, they don't design the factory line here. But there is an opportunity, for instance, in the supply chain of Nissan to manage how those things all happen. So I hope Northeast great again. It's great already. We know that locally. It is shining. I hope I've shined a light on some new things for you and some reinforcements for you. We've got to, it's a question, are we ready? We're at a phase of being at national levels of employment. We're not at the bottom of those league tables anymore. And so we're going to have to be clever and in a good way. You don't want to boom too fast. It's how you manage that growth to get to that abundance position where there is balance in the jobs and the opportunities. I will do my best to do that piece at the bottom. Keep shouting about the region and why it's great and where the opportunities are in those little corners.